Brief history of town. Spanish colonization of the island and gradually under Spanish dominion developed the settlement into a pueblo that also contributed to a large degree of San Joaquin's cultural heritage. It was known to become Manghilon, Mati, Gnanwaan, and Talisayan before it was named San Joaquin after its patron saint. When Magellan discovered the Philippines in 1521, Spanish colonization of the island and gradually under Spanish dominion developed the settlement into a pueblo that also contributed to a large degree to our town's cultural heritage. As a legacy from this period, the San Joaquin Roman Catholic Church was finished in 1869 and was declared a national shrine on September 1977. And by virtue of Executive Number 21, Series of 1910 issued by the American Military Governor General, San Joaquin became a municipality on December 10, 1910. About 700 years later, the Treaty of Paris of 1898 ended the Spanish-American War. As a result, San Joaquin was annexed to the municipality of Miagao in 1904 for purposes of efficient administration under American rule. But the annexation was short-lived because when the late Eliseo J. Sanglap, a native of San Joaquin, became the municipal president, now municipal mayor of Miagao by popular vote in 1908, fought for the return of San Joaquin to our former status. San Joaquin traces its history to the early part of 12th century when 10 Malayans chieftains or datos together with their families, warriors and slaves on board 10 Binidays landed at Andona Creek near Siwaragan River. Geography. San Joaquin is located in the southern tip of Iloilo Province. One of the rivers that traverse the town in the Siwaragan River with Barangay Siwaragan and Bukaya situated in its mouth is the southernmost municipality in the province and is 53 kilometers from the provincial capital, Iloilo City, and is 44 kilometers from San Jose de Buenavista, the capital of Antique. Flora and fauna. The municipality of San Joaquin has declared nearly 1,000 hectares of its land as critical habitat area, a movie to protect vulnerable and endangered wildlife. Rodelio Sidantes, the town's Sangguniang Bayan secretary, said in a phone interview on Wednesday that threatened species such as Visayan warty pig or locally known as baboy talunon, Rafflesia or oroy, Visayan hornbill or turarik, Kabit cat or singarong, and red jungle fowl or ilahas has been sighted in the area. Culture. The Beluay Festival, celebrated every third week of January, reflects the town's unique mixture of races and cultures. Historical and religious themes, mostly anchored from the Barter of Panay, such as efforts with preservation or rituals, are reflected through the dances presented in the festival. Accentuated every annual municipal fiesta is the Pasungay or bullfight. During this affair, the best bulls from different barangays are pitted against each other by weight categories in a bull derby. Food. Bandi or peanut brittle is San Joaquin, Iloilo's native delicacy. The municipal of San Joaquin is known as the Bandi capital of Western Visayas. San Joaquin has been making bandi for decades. Most women in the bandi making industry are from Barangay Kianan in San Joaquin. Tourist attractions. The Talisayan Beach Resort is privately owned beach resort located in the poblacion. The Kataan Cove and Tubog Beach Resort is Barangay Kataan, about 10 kilometers from the poblacion. It's place perfect for scuba diving and weekend outings. Rain Farm, a 15-hectare privately owned farm resort in Purok 2, poblacion which showcases agriculture, leisure, and pilgrimage theme. Practical and intelligent farming are imparted to the visitor through the agricultural techniques and innovative technologies applied in the demo farm. The resort leisure amenities include a swimming pool, a 5,000 square meter man-made lagoon located on a hilltop with fishes and lilies which offers fishing, boating, and kayaking. The 300-meter zip line which goes over the lagoon and through the trees. On the top of the hill sits the 101-feet Divine Mercy Cross, which can be accessed by a 456-step stairway. Along the stairway are life-size and lifelike statues depicting the creation, Noah's Ark, 10 Commandments, and the 9 major events of the life of Jesus Christ. Infrastructures. Historical sites. San Joaquin Parish Church, the main church in town, a Roman Catholic parish, was constructed in 1859 and completed in 1869 by Spanish Friar Tomas Taren of the Augustinian Order. The church is unique among those in the Philippines for its large pediment featuring a military scene, the Spanish victory over the Moors in the Battle of Tetuan. The National Museum of the Philippines listed the church as a national cultural treasure. San Joaquin Cemetery is located along the main highway in San Joaquin town. The construction of San Joaquin Cemetery was commenced by Fray Mariano Vamba, the last Augustinian parish priest of the town in 1892. A statue of Jesus with his arms stretched stands on top of Baroque-style gate, and on each side of Christ, two columns with angelic figures are poised as guards. In addition, sculpted heads of two cherubs and a skull representing death marks the entrance of the cemetery. 20 stone steps after entering the gate and you will be greeted by the Baroque-designed mortuary chapel standing on the center.